Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching resolution and fixing obvious rasterization causes. Open composition settings and confirm 1920 x 1080 or your target. This prevents unintended scaling. Then, set the problematic layer to best quality and enable continuously rasterize for any vector assets. This preserves crisp edges. Also inspect the layer scale. If it's above 100%, you're upscaling pixels, which creates blur. Scale down or replace with higher-res source. Once done, render a quick RAM preview to evaluate clarity. Now you refine edges and recover detail. Apply unsharp mask rather than sharpen for controlled contrast. Set amount between 50 and 150% and radius from 0. 5 to 2. 0 pixels. This boosts perceived sharpness without artifacts. If you must upscale, use detail-preserving upscale and tweak reduce noise to avoid soft halos. Switch the composition to 32 bits per channel to prevent posterization on subtle gradients, but make sure your machine has enough RAM, because higher bit depth increases memory use and render time. Finish by pre-rendering complex layers to a lossless format so repeated effects don't soften pixels, then re-import and composite at the proper size. Toggle motion blur and frame blending off to verify true sharpness, and only re-enable them if stylistically required. If the shape remains blurry, inspect the original file's DPI and codec. Low-quality codecs smear detail, and update GPU drivers. Often the culprit is source compression or driver issues. If problems persist, try replacing the asset with a higher resolution version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.